Hi, friends. I hope you've had a great day. I love the spring, and in the spring, we see all kinds of bugs. And that made me think of this fun book that I just love called Centipede's 100 Shoes. So I hope you enjoy and hope you have a great night. Ow! The little centipede was not looking where he was going, and he hurt his toe. But which one? Not this one. Not this one or this one. Mom will know. I'll kiss it better, said Mom. Is it this one or 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 this one? Oh, that centipede has a lot of feet. At last, Mom found the hurt toe and kissed it better. Tomorrow you must get some shoes, she said. Early the next morning, the little centipede's mom took him to the shoe store. "100 shoes, please," said the little centipede. 50 left ones and 50 right ones. "Why do you want 100? asked the shoe seller. "Because I'm a centipede, which means 100 feet," said the little centipede. "Do you want lace-ups or buckles?" asked the shoe seller. "Lace-ups, please," said the little centipede. "Lace-ups are more grown up." So the little centipede tried on shoes until he found some that he liked, and the shoe salesman wrapped them up. The next day, the little centipede put on his shoes. It took a long time. Then he had to tie up all the laces, and when at last he had finished, he had 58 shoes left over. "That's because most centipedes have only 42 legs," said his granddad. We could do some math there, right? And then it was bedtime and time to start taking the shoes back off again. The next morning, the little centipede put on his shoes again. This time he was quicker and better at tying the laces. That's good because the day before it took him all day to put his shoes on. So after lunch, he went for a walk. "Oh, Mom," he cried, "my new shoes hurt." "Oh, that's because you have no socks on," said his mother. And the little centipede started to take off his shoes again. And his aunties all began to knit socks. The next morning, the little centipede put on all his socks. He had his lunch, then started to put on his shoes. Takes him all day. Right after supper, he went for a walk. "My feet feel fine now, Mom," he said. "Time for bed," said his mother. So the little centipede took off his shoes and tumbled into bed. "You can't go to sleep in your socks," said his mother. So he took off his socks as well. The next morning, the little centipede looked at all the shoes and socks. "Oh, I don't think I'll bother," he said. So he put his 100 shoes and his 42 socks into his little wheelbarrow. Look at all his shoes. And it says, "For free." And gave them all to his friends with fewer legs. He gave shoes to 5 spiders, 4 beetles, 2 woodlice, and a grasshopper. With socks for the 5 spiders, and with enough shoes and socks left over, for 2 worms. The end. I hope you guys have a great night and that you enjoyed our story about Centipede's 100 shoes. All right, bye-bye.